Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, clicking on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Thursday, December 30th, 08:13 a.m. New York time. Discussing the cannabis stocks. So we're looking at the weekly candles. Each key candle will be a week. Since it's Thursday, they have 2 more trading days left, today and tomorrow. The year is almost over. Let's see if these been pump and dump kind of stocks or if they've been smart investments. For the long term, they have not been smart investments because they're underperforming the S&P 500 index for the long term. So again, the index is better than majority of these cannabis stocks. Give it to you as the phonetic alphabet. That means when I say the letters Alpha, Charlie, Bravo, Alpha, Charlie, Bravo, those are the stock symbols for the company. Got it? Any questions asked? First one's Alpha, Charlie, Bravo. Current candle's red for the week. It's already trading below the low of last week, and it's at record lows for the year. Loser, not a good investment. Huge pump and dump, as has the sector industry been. Alpha, Papa, Hotel, Alpha. Yep. Nice run up. This was not sustainable. Consolidation, it was wide. Small acceleration inside the big consolidation, and then the breakdown, staircase pattern, lower low. And then back last time I mentioned this, we had this occurring. So it hasn't closed yet, but we may have the turnaround because it's above that price level and above that high there. Again, the week's not done yet, so we'll see. Be interested in watching that for a potential setup to go somewhere. Alpha, Romeo, November, Alpha. Yep. Last time I showed it, maybe it was back around here. Consolidation, I think it was distribution. They pumped it up and dropped it down hard. Yeah, so if I was mentioning that past video that I think this was distribution, smart money selling, but didn't know when it would break down, well, it worked out. Yep, pumped it up, some probably news story. Try to retest it again, filled, made the wedge. The wedge couldn't even complete with a coil. Sold off hard, impulse moved down all the way below 50. And then that week here went lower, low, lower, high. Yep. And then now look at it all the way up here. So obviously some event occurred that brought it up there. Doesn't mean it's going to be sustainable. Why? Because it may be just maybe they bought some shares back. I need to read the news, corporate news directly from the company. And maybe they took less shares off the exchange. So maybe they did a merger acquisition as too. Find out. Bravo, Lima, Oscar, Zulu, Foxtrot. Almost near all-time low for the year. That's bad. Bravo, Uniform, Delta, Zulu as well. Yeah. Wow. Terrible. It's all been below 50 cents all the way down here. Struggling. Not good. Charlie, Alpha, November, November. This stock, this company had a lot of press releases over the year, a lot of pump and dump. Why? Because I've seen several of those throughout the year when they put those out, and they just had fast moves up, not good follow throughs. And look at that, just near record low for the year. No, not good. Charlie, Alpha, Romeo, Alpha. Same thing. Look at that. Consolidation, much closer to the low of the year, struggling. Charlie Bravo Delta Sierra at record low of the year. So right now, again, most of these ones I'm showing you are performing poorly, are losers. Not good investments, not good trading. Charlie Bravo Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, just shy of record low. Inside candle for the week right now. Not good. On to the next. Charlie Golf Charlie, also inside candle for the week, near record low for the year. Just a huge decline. No interest for people buying in here at the long-term investments. Charlie Romeo Bravo Papa, they have also inside candle near record low. Charlie Romeo Lima Bravo Foxtrot. Look, it made a reverse. Made a higher low, but it's not done for the week. Off the low of the year. So if you think these are great companies, and if you're one of them buying down here near the record lows, it hasn't proven itself yet. No, for 1 week. Yeah, the majority of them are down. Institutions are not interested in them. And again, some of them will be again moved from certain stock exchange to other stock exchanges, and some of these stock exchanges may take them off the United States stock exchange, put them in another country stock exchange, so even harder to be traded. Got it? Yeah, they're not the way to go. Charlie Romeo Oscar November, another stock that had a lot of news coverage during the year, and it's at record low for the year. Charlie Whiskey Bravo Hotel Foxtrot, almost near record low again. Poor performer. Foxtrot Alpha Foxtrot, well, huge company, very diverse, but again, they're involved in the cannabis. All-time high for the year, outstanding, strong like bull. Strong like bull. Let's label this at the nearest round number. There we go, 75. And again, in the future, because this company has so much capital, they may dominate the cannabis market. And again, be less competition for them. They are already well established. And note, the United States is the biggest market that the lobbyists are pushing to legalize across the nation recreational medical marijuana. Where in Europe, what is it, Germany, and in the Middle East, Israel, they're both lobbying in those countries for recreation. I think one of them already has it for medical. So again, it's a slow grind for the lobbyists worldwide, but they aim to go target the United States as a whole. Because again, the population, discretionary income. So that's a slow grind. Golf Romeo November Hotel, no, poor performer. Golf Romeo Whiskey Golf, just shy of all-time low for the year, poor performer. Golf Tango Bravo India Foxtrot, oof. Double bottom there, reversing, still struggling. Yep, not good. Golf Whiskey Papa Romeo Foxtrot. Oh, I mentioned it all the way back there not too long ago. That huge consolidation. Not going nowhere, not impressive. Oh, HEMP, Hotel Echo Mike Papa. Another one that had a lot of pump and dump early this year. Look at that. Back almost near record lows for the year. Not good. Hotel Echo X-Ray Oscar at record lows for the year. Loser. India November Charlie Yankee. Well, it's making a retracement. Still struggling below 75. Had this huge impulse move up, also engulfing candle there, and a slow grind on the way up. Not the best investment. India Victor India Tango Foxtrot. Oof, that's not good. That's a sign. Must be the bid and ask really wide and low volume. Not good. Juliet Uniform Sierra Hotel Foxtrot. Good. Just shy record low again. Mike Goff Whiskey Foxtrot. Well, you had 2 weeks. This bullish engulfing candle there reversed, and now you have a higher high, higher low back inside that range of the last week. That's not good. Nope. If this closes red back inside this candle, that's not good. And it's going near the record low of the year. Mike Oscar. That's interesting. So we're building 2 candles in a row, inside candles, inside this huge impulse move up. Consolidation, potential building a wedge. And slowly, this wedge may be coming into a flag. So right now, the wedge is forming. It's also forming a coil, getting tighter and tighter. We'll see how it breaks out, either to the upside or outside. Potential trade out there, right there. Yep. And here's the big round number. If you don't know what round numbers are, how I discuss those in quarters, join my Patreon. The link is below. But let's label this one here, because this is one of the nearest round numbers. And the significance of, there we go. Yep. See how that works out. Mike Sierra Romeo Tango. Nope, it's just an acceleration and staircase pattern lower low, not good. On to the next group. Oscar Goff India. Just massive acceleration here, struggling, working its way back down to the lows. Pop-up Mike Philip Morris, very diversified. Yep. Even the big companies are struggling this year too. Yep. What is there, less discretionary income? Or are they just losing the international customers to some other manufacturings? They haven't worked out so well. Papa Oscar Tango November. Nope. Not much left on here. That's not good. Sierra Mike Goff. Also, it's just a retracement inside this huge impulse move down. Sierra November Delta Lima struggling. Just shy of that swing low for the year. Sierra Tango Zulu. All-time high for the year. Outstanding. Outstanding. Big company. Very diversified. Lots of capital. Sierra Whiskey Mike. Just shy of all-time low for the year. It's not good. It's in acceleration phase 2. There we go. We'll leave it here and see what happens next time I come back. Not an ideal investment. Nope. Tango Lima Romeo Yankee. All-time low for the year. Tango Papa Bravo. Also struggling near the low of the year. And we'll look at the last group of peers. I had to update it. There was a merger acquisition, so we'll get to that one in a minute. Yep. Tango Romeo Uniform Lima. All-time low for the year. That's not good. Nope, that's not good. On to the next. So this one I added in here. Uniform November Romeo Victor. Again, Uniform November Romeo Victor. In the past, the symbol was Tango Romeo Tango Charlie. That company, again, Cannabis, merged with another company, and they changed the symbol to a hare. Uniform November Romeo Victor. Still poor performer. Uniform Victor Victor. Nice trend up. Nice trending up. Let's label that. Big round number. It's already above it. 50. Oh, look at that. So there was acceleration breakdown. So potential target already maybe near the 57. We'll see if it's going to continue up there. Again, this current candle week's not done yet, but you already may have sellers start coming in here as fear because the sector overall they might be concerned about. Yep. Victor Foxtrot Foxtrot. Not good near the low of the year. Victor Goff Romeo. Wow. Just shy of all-time high for the year. Outstanding. Outstanding. X-ray Lima Yankee. There we go. So had that pullback because that was a consolidation, breakout to the upside trend, consolidation, a retracement. Nice move. Nice move up there. Yeah. X-ray, India. No. Yeah. There's silos up here. Silos up here. Had an acceleration here, which end up being distribution period. So there's a downward trend, a retracement. And where would the place have gone short here? The short would have gone here. Why? Because you had this red candle near the bottom of the consolidation, and then you had a breakdown below the consolidation, where the breakdown was, and when you had to close below it. So after this was closed, that would have been a good opportunity because you had confirmation that closed below the consolidation to trade bearish short, and you could have rode the trade down, kept on moving your stop down. Very nice, and been out of it with gains already. Zulu whiskey, sorry, Zulu Yankee, November Echo, all-time low for the year, failure. There we go. So if you like to support small business, which I am, and I appreciate if you would click that like button now and help me out. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe so you get notification when the next video is. Help support a small business. It's a beautiful thing. Thank you.